In this video, we're going to be talking about the relationship between gravitational constant and gravitational acceleration. A lot of students make the mistake of not knowing or not differentiating g and small g. They think that both of them are the same. But big G means gravitational constant right here. Gravitational constant is a constant number, 6.67 times 10 to the power of minus 11. And gravitational acceleration is experienced by every object on Earth, which is what we know as the value of 9.81 meters per second square, if we are talking about Earth. Now, how do we relate the two? The big G, the gravitational constant, and the small g, gravitational acceleration. Now, when we look at this diagram, we have a big circle which represents Earth, and we have a small circle which represents the body on Earth's surface. Okay, so we put it as body. And we know that the whole mass of Earth, we consider the whole mass of Earth to be concentrated at the center right here, which gives it a radius of r. And we know to find the gravitational force of the body on the surface of the Earth, we can use the formula F equals to big G, which is gravitational constant, big M, which is the mass of the Earth, small m, which is the mass of the body, over the radius square. We know this from the previous video. But what does the body experience? Although it's experiencing gravitational force, but from what we see, the body is also experiencing Earth's gravity, which produces an acceleration. We know that when we leave an object to free fall downwards, it experiences an acceleration. And this acceleration is due to the gravitational force. So we know that this force can also be represented as the weight of the body. And we know that the weight of the body equals to mg. Now, the weight and the force are the exact same thing. The weight that we experience is the gravitational force that is acting upon us. I would like to think of it as this way. We have an object, and that object is being influenced by the force of gravity, which gives us our weight. So if we think of it that way, we know that F, gravitational force, will equal to the weight experienced by us. And if we can equate these equations together, we will get big G, which is gravitational constant, big M, small m, over r square equals to the small m. And when we look at the weight, the small m also represents the mass of the body, and G, the gravitational acceleration experienced by the body. So when we look at this equation right here, we know that the small m is on both sides of the equation. We can cancel them out, and we will get a formula of G equals to big G, big M over r square. So this is how we relate the big G and the small g. I'll see you in the next video.